Pausa, it's a contemporary Italian restaurant. My idea was to create something unique, so a fusion of the 20 regions of Italy, be organic, sustainable as much as we can, and try to put on the table a different Italian food. I started to cook it at the age of 13. I started in the restaurant business for fun. You know, I come from a place named Lido di Jesolo. It's 20 minutes northeast of Venice, and I moved here in May 17, 2005. Well, at that time, if I be honest, the concept of the Italian food around was not real truly Italian. My goal was like to try to create something unique using old products from Italy. Of course, take whatever the California gives us, beautiful land, especially on the organic produce, and try to combine different regions, different ingredients in a different kit. I really love the idea to have the grill with an open fire, the pizza oven, of course with a wood oven, but at the same time so using the technology. So Pausa, we have a lot of technology behind the scene. It's something that I really truly believe into it, and combine the past and the present, give me the opportunity to express on the plate something completely different. Consistency is part of the key. I use a vacuum sealer, a special vacuum sealer, Henkelman. With this machine, we try to achieve the perfection. With the Henkelman, we're not just a vacuum seal. So with the Henkelman, we can tenderize, we can marinate, we can pickle. So in every plate that we serve, Henkelman is part of the production of the plate.